Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2013 Buick Verano Leather Group, stock number Z7416A. 64,000 miles on this one owner, local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Verano brand new, Mocha bronze metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 6-year, 70,000 mile powertrain warranty. Very safe vehicle as well, 5-star front and side government crash rating. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Nice sized trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This leather group has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof. Large, easy to read gauges with driver information system. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls so you can keep your hands on the wheel, large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth enabled devices, great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora and Stitcher radio apps, and there's of course where the backup camera display is. Hard keys below for radio, heating and air conditioning with heated seats as well as heated steering wheel, 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability, storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, spacious glove box with all the owner's materials, overhead auto dimming mirror, and moonroof control. Under the hood, this Verano has a 2.4 liter, 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 32 on the highway, and approximately 50% of tire tread left. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.